No and low-code tools are a popular way to get started with AI. They've grown in popularity in recent years and are certainly trendy. You can use them to develop chatbots and gain an initial idea how you can build your own AI product. In some cases, they'll even allow you to build real-life products. But while there are some incredible no-code tools, if you're serious about learning to work with AI and develop applications that incorporate AI, you must know how to code. Learning to code is essential for profoundly engaging with AI because it allows you to use APIs from major AI providers like OpenAI, Llama, and Anthropic. Coding skills enable you to tailor AI behavior through prompt engineering, integrate databases, and modify model parameters, capabilities currently beyond the reach of no-code tools and crucial for creating sophisticated AI-driven applications. Python is the leading programming language for data science and AI, according to the TIOBE Index. Its comprehensive libraries and robust infrastructure enhance scalability for AI engineers and developers. There's a significant number of open-source tools and libraries you can use. The most popular ones include NumPy for multidimensional arrays, matrices, and math functions, Pandas for data preprocessing, and Matplotlib for data visualization. To begin in Python, install an IDE like Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, Spider, or PyCharm. Our Python course guides you through the setup process. To wrap up, learning the coding aspects of AI development requires considerable effort, especially for beginners, but it's essential for creating reliable applications.